going, man?
Yeah, I started a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna put your car on there, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Truck, I
Um,
appreciate it. So what happened? You just what do you guys do then? What
this
do you
is so we own a water restoration company.
Okay,
So
cool.
we help like homeowners anytime they have a flood in their house,
Nice.
place equipment, get it all dried up.
Yeah, I did your car. Huh?
Yeah, my truck,
Nice.
my truck. So I was like, yeah, you guys are great. I've used you twice now. So
What's that key? Looks like a Honda key. Honda motorcycle.
we just bought this truck like, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago. But dude, it's super dull.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this key. It's worn out. Looks like the same. Looks like they go in all the way. Let's see this one. That goes in a lot further.
But it's weird, like this glass right here. But
Yeah.
it's super hard to open.
Okay. Let me just see. It's turned also.
Yeah.
Okay, that's straight right there.
We'd like to lock all these up at night.
So it's probably not the original key.
Okay.
That's why. So that it's similar. So I'm gonna cut this shoulder down too,
Okay.
so it could go in further, and then let me try to figure these cuts out.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so these are the key blank he had is a Honda motorcycle key blank, and that's what I grabbed. My plan was to use a Honda motorcycle leashy, but it's not going to go in far enough, so we're going to need a new plan on how to cut this key. I have to take one of these locks out. Just gotta figure out which is the easiest one. Maybe this one. Uh-oh, I locked it. All right, well, they should all be the same key. I don't think I have to take all this out to get to the lock. It's down here. All right, we're gonna go by key blank. I'm gonna try to cut it by eye before I pull out one of these locks that are kind of a pain to get out. So we got 5 cuts on the, we're gonna cut it pretty deep. So we're gonna go direct, and we're going to cut it. Okay, so we're gonna go 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. We'll try that, we'll see. Well, probably 3, 4, 2 at the end. That one looks a little bit higher. Let's try that. All right, we'll cut this key and then we'll shave the shoulder down. And see if it works. Clue, to be honest, if this will work, but if not, we'll just keep shaving down until it works. All right, we'll use this other machine to shave that shoulder off. It goes in all the way. It actually does turn fairly smooth. Let's see this back one. This is the one that they were having issues with. So that is not going in far enough. 40. I don't think it's going in enough on that. Compared to these other ones. It worked on one. It doesn't really work on the rest of them. It works on this one too. Let's see. Well, let's search 2 different keys on this thing. It works on this one. These locks are all they're all loose too. Problem is it's a sealed lock, so even if I take it out, it's probably not going to work. Or I probably still won't be able to. Need to get a mark on this key. Let's check this one again. So that's in all the way. Right.
So tricky.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of just eyeballed the key and then basically kind of cut it similar to that worn out key, you know?
Oh, nice.
So these are the new ones. All right.
Sweet.
So here, I'll show you real quick. So this lock, it only turns a little bit. You know that, right?
That's what I noticed when like we got it jammed and we're trying to undo it.
So it only goes to like basically right there.
Oh wow.
Okay. That's all you need to go. You don't need to go any further.
Okay.
If you go this way, it locks it. So that's locked now. Okay. And then you just take the key out. That's locked. And then if you want to unlock it, you go the other way. So that unlocks
And
it.
you just turn the key like that when you do it. Does it go pretty easy?
Yeah, you think okay.
Practice. So you come here, little quarter turn.
Make sure. So the key's not in all the way. So push the key in a little bit further. I sprayed a WD-40 to help it. There you go, right there. That's it, right there.
Now almost.
That is that locked? Yeah, that's locked. Yeah. Okay, and then unlock.
So maybe just reapplying like a lubricant is gonna help it.
Yeah, I sprayed it a little bit, but
Okay.
so that's locked right there.
Cool.
All right. Now I'll show you the other ones. So, like for example, like this one is kind of loose.
Yeah.
See that? So if you want to show it to you inside here, there's I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a nut all the way inside there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can kind of tighten it up to make it, you know,
Where's the nut at?
all the way. It's on the
back
lock.
in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Would it be best to
It's not going to come off because of how many turns it would need to turn to take off. But if you want to tighten them up, you can kind of like get your finger in there, and, you know.
Okay.
I don't want to take them all, like take the whole lock out to do it, but
Are these all how far are these? Okay, these do a full turn.
yeah, they'll turn a lot more.
Go the other way. Oh, like that.
You see? I just kind of messed with the back one, so that would come out probably right. Or no, that's that way.
Yeah.
So right would be the unlock, and then left.
There's a lock.
Yeah.
Then you come back to center.
Oh yeah, and then yeah, center would be
Get it out or whatever.
yeah. So that should lock right.
Just had it a second ago.
Yeah. Now we can kind of see it in here. Oh, that one's off. That's broken. Something in here is broken. So this spring should probably. It didn't lock, but
Oh, it just popped off, huh?
Maybe it just works it out. Let's see. So this would be the mechanism, right? Okay, so you want it to stay like that. Gotcha. Just to stay here, and then that won't move. So
that's fine how it is, the spring.
No, so if it had that spring, wherever that spring, we could look at another one and see where it connects to, but it would keep the lock in this position when you turn the key. So right now when I turn, you see what I'm saying? It's like,
it just goes with it. It's not supposed to.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one might not work.
Yeah. Take a look at the other side. See where that spring is, you know?
Let's try these ones.
Same problem on this one, huh? Let's try to find one that. Let's take a look at it. This one actually has. So it should be right here to lock. I don't know enough about these mechanisms to, but that should be locked. Yeah. So that's locked right there. Did these fly open too?
Yeah.
They would?
Occasionally. I just think if it's not like latched good enough or something, then it does, but...
Yeah. Yeah, this one, because that's locked technically. Okay, that's locked right there. So they just have to slam it.
I think they just need to be shut. When they're not shut firm is when it does it.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got it.
They all latch closed.
Alright, so this one.
The only one that's not really working is another one.
Okay. Take that.
Yeah. I'm curious on the other side.
Do these other ones lock on the side?
I didn't really try any of them. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Gotta get a key guy in there.
Mm-hmm. I did spring like that.
Yeah. That one works pretty good.
Yeah.
The one
that's loose.
looking one actually works.
That's funny.
Let's take a look at the other side first. One now? Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's kind of how it goes.
Yeah, so it's just missing something.
Either. Yeah, missing, or it goes like behind that screw. I really
That's it on the key.
take a look at the other side. Your main one is that back door though. That one actually works pretty good. The back door.
That's the most important.
Yeah, especially while you're driving.
Yeah.
So, let me see. It actually did lock. Let me see that spring again. There it goes. Some up behind here. Push that down where it's supposed to go. Seems like it's in the right place now. Okay, I think I got that spring in the right place. So. Yeah.